Hello again everybody, it's Mel here from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, and here we are with lesson 4, and today I'm going to be showing you the two chords I was just playing there, which are G major and E major. So let's go to a close-up and we'll have a look at what we're doing with the fingers on the left hand for these two chords. Let's have a look at the G major first of all. Now this is a chord that many beginning guitarists struggle with initially because it's quite a stretch, but it is doable, so just persevere. So with this one we're going to be using again index, middle and ring fingers, and same for the E major as well. So for the G major, we want to take our middle finger, place that on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, the low E string. Then we want to take the index finger and place that on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string. So far we've got the next 3 strings, we play them all open, and that is actually in itself a G major chord. So we've got then finally on the high E string, the 1st string, we want to take our ring finger and put that on the 3rd fret. So altogether we've got so your thumb, try and keep your thumb down on this one, somewhere around the middle of the back of the neck. So you want, if I can just show you, you want your thumb sort of there. You don't want to be over the top. If you've got your thumb over the top, you're going to find this chord really difficult, so get your thumb down here. And again, move the position of the guitar, move the position of your hands, find the best position for you. Make sure that each note rings out clearly. So once more, it's middle finger, 6th string, 3rd fret, index finger, 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. And that's the G major chord. So the second chord is E major. So this one's a little bit easier. So with this one we're going to take again the middle finger first. We're going to place that on the 5th string at the 2nd fret. The low E is open. Next we're going to take the ring finger and put that on the 4th string at the 2nd fret, so on the D string at the 2nd fret. So that's what we've got so far. And then finally we're going to take the index finger and put that on the 3rd string in the 1st fret, so on the G string at the 1st fret. So altogether we've got, and then the other 3 strings are open, so we've got open high E, open B and open low E, and the chord so once again it's middle finger, 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, index finger, 3rd string, 1st fret. And that's E major. Alright people, so that's your lesson for today. So there's another 2 chords you've learned, the E major and the G major. Please remember to subscribe and click the little bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future videos, especially if you're following along with my little beginners series of lessons. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.